Hello everyone and welcome back to Ajayastro Money Guru. I am Ria. Today we are breaking down the latest action in the global vegetable oil markets, focusing on the CBOT soy oil snapshot for Friday, January 17th, 2026. Let's dive into the numbers. Starting with the Chicago Board of Trade, the March 26 soy oil contract, ticker ZLH26, settled at 52.61 cents per pound. This represents a slight dip of 0.36 cents on the day. It is important to note that this easing of prices was primarily due to pre-holiday profit booking. The pullback follows a very sharp rally earlier in the week, so this move is viewed more as a technical adjustment rather than a shift in market fundamentals. Looking at the money flow, investment funds turned into net sellers on Friday, offloading approximately 4,000 contracts. This is a contrast to the aggressive buying we saw earlier in the week, which totaled around 20,000 contracts. According to the latest Managed Money COT report, net short positions have been cut to 53,000 contracts, down from 66,500 the previous week. While the overall sentiment remains net bearish, the ongoing reduction in shorts indicates that short covering is still a major theme in the market. In the energy sector, WTI crude for February delivery saw a gain of 0.42%. Support came from short covering and rising geopolitical risks related to Iran. However, these gains were limited by a stronger US dollar. Over in Asia, the Dalian Commodity Exchange showed selective firmness. Palm oil rose by 0.14%, while soy oil edged up 0.23%. Meanwhile, the Malaysian palm oil April contract gained over 2%, closing at 3,990 ringgits, supported by the broader strength in the global vegetable oil complex. Turning to South America, the physical market shows a mixed trend. In Argentina, February FOB prices are trending higher at approximately $1,160 per ton, while March prices are slightly lower. In Brazil, we saw February and March FOB prices drop by $13 to $15. Currently, forward basis remains deeply negative, making buyers cautious at these CBOT-linked price levels. In other regions, ICE canola in Canada closed higher, though gains faded due to uncertainty over Chinese buying. Similarly, Euronext rapeseed followed the global trend, ending modestly higher. Section 5. Important Notice and Conclusion. Before we wrap up, a quick reminder, the CBOT will be closed this Monday, January 19th, in observance of Martin Luther King Jr. Day. Moving into the coming month, we expect a significant move in soy oil. Will it be a bullish breakout or a bearish reversal? For advanced analysis and personalized guidance, feel free to contact us. Our details are available on the screen and in the description box below. Thank you for watching Ajayastro Money Guru. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for the latest commodity updates.
सोनाक्षी की रसोई में आज की स्पेशल गेस्ट है मौसमी चैटर्जी जी।
ये जी नहीं, मौसमी आंटी।
ओके आंटी मौसमी, तो आज आप क्या बनाएंगी?
मैं क्यों बनाऊं? मैं तो गेस्ट हूँ। आप बनाओ, हम खाएंगे। एक्टिंग में तो हिट हो। अब खाना बनाओ सुपर हिट।
ठाट से बनाऊंगी खाना, है ना द बेस्ट एवरीडे मसाला। आओ बनाते हैं मसालेदार छोले।
छोले
हर रोज के करी में एवरीडे मसाले, शाही बिरयानी में स्वाद का जायका।
पटल पोस्तो और सर्षे इलिश भापा। साफ मसाले, खुशबू और प्योर झाग, टेस्ट से भर दे हर जुबान पे स्वाद।
एवरीडे मसाले, देश का स्वाद।